the June. Happy birthday. Kaya na ba yung kasama ko ba? Lunes. Ilan laro nyo doon? Lunes, laro nyo? Yan, first five. Jump ball. So, Castle, with New Jersey over here. Okay. Well, Alzada. Pull-up jumper, long two is good. And second shot. Alzada. Pull-up jumper is good. Oh, hindi niya makasok. Alzada. Third New Jersey. Alzada to grab that 2 points here. Touchdown for Alzada. Alzada Southwest, 3 points. Alzada to Garde, pull-up jumper off the glass is good. 1 minute to play. That's the first period. The Garde. 2 versus 3 situation, Garde 2 points here. No. Over 2, 5 seconds. Pastor Regalo. Lead Pastor Lorenzo. Easy 2 points.
Hey, George.
Alzada. Lorenzo to sa kanya. Balik Lorenzo to rest. There's a lot of Paraguay 2 points. Lead Pastor Lorenzo. 2 points. Lead Pastor Lorenzo. 2 points. Garde. Possession of 8. Lorenzo sa 9. 2 points na.
Jay, 13-4, hindi tayo running time. 13-4. Nabingi talaga. Nabingi talaga.
2 points. Escalante. Pull-up jumper is good by Escalante. Alzada to Escalante. Jumper is good. Lorenzo, 2 points. Garde against Muhammad Billy Parañanes, spin 5 pound, 2 points. Lorenzo, 2 points. Lorenzo, Parañanes, Alzada, Parañanes, Garde, Segitapitec, Saliki Parañanes, Lorenzo, Binigay sa kanan, Lorenzo, Lugi, food lang ito. Napakapatuloy na sa mga kami, Alzada, Binigay sa kanan, sa problema ng mga segregador. Nice second shot clock. 5 second shot clock. 2 second shot clock. Big home, big down. Dirigir Escalante. 5 second shot clock. 2 points para Escalante. Sana para Escalante. Dirigir Lorenzo. Dirigir Lorenzo. Take Alzada, long 2 points para Alzada. Tingnan natin para yung pensa ng Brasileños. Tingnan natin. Alzada sa malaksakat hanggang 2 points siya. Best player of the game. He's covered advantage jersey number 25, Alzada, our best player of the game.
Ay, sorry ka.
Yeah, once again, our best player of the game, jersey number 25, Kala Alzada.
Ayun.
Our best player of the game.
Final score. Ano to?